when it comes to within that IoT and IIoT platforms implementation, the condition-based monitoring, typical APM, what we talk about, let's take an example of the big APM suites implementation, be it from any of these leading platform manufacturers of APMs, be it natural resources industry or oil and gas industry or a mining industry, and the condition-based monitoring and the APM implementation is the highest in the adoption rates when it comes to Industry 4.2 implementation. Then comes the over-the-air and the remote services. And especially over-the-air updates are again in the natural services and the offshore drilling type of a situation. And also, interestingly, these are taking a precedence in the renewable energy, especially when offshore windmills are installed and the windmill updates has to go in, especially on the SCADA system on the windmill, and that takes the second precedence. And interestingly, one of the largest installation of windmills SCADA infrastructure, the IoT converged infrastructure, is monitored and managed by Microland.